The title of this video wasn't clickbait. I have over the past month made 20% returns on my portfolio. Now, the question arises, how have you done that? Because the market has been falling by so much and many of the tech stocks have lost close to 40% of their value. Just yesterday Facebook lost 25%. Sorry, Meta lost 25% of its market share or market cap, sorry. So how am I doing it? Well, I'll tell you everything, but before that, please like, share, or share this video, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I always try to make videos that can benefit just average folks like all of us. All right, okay, let's get started. So I'm doing something which is very simple. I'm not shorting the market in the traditional sense. I'm not buying shorts. It's it's higher risk, but it's what anyone can do, and it's nothing which is dangerous. Because when you put shorts on the market, like for example, if you short Tesla and Tesla goes up, you can lose all of your money, right? This is not that. So what I'm doing is I'm buying these short ETFs. Yes, there are short ETFs available which you can purchase. Anyone can do it. And for example, one of my ETF is SPXS, which is it shorts the S&P 500 by and it's a 3x inverse exposure. So what that means is if the S&P 500 goes down by 1%, I get 3% returns on that day. And conversely, if it goes up by 1%, my thing goes down 3x. So it is higher risk, but it's not as high of a risk as shorting a stock. You're shorting an index. It's not a particular stock, it's shorting the whole index. So I'm also shorting the Dow Jones. I have a 3x exposure, 3x inverse exposure ETF called SDOW. I'm also shorting the small caps because I feel in this market crash, and the market is going to crash way more, the small cap stocks are going to fall the hardest. So I have something called as SRTY. SRTY is shorting the Russell index, and Russell is made up of small cap stocks, right? I also have SQQQ, which is shorting the small cap shares. So I'm just trying to get everything there. I'm also shorting the Nasdaq. I'm shorting the financial sector, and it's everything is through an ETF. So I haven't shorted any stock per se. I just go ahead, buy an ETF, and buying that ETF is just like buying a share. There's a certain value, just purchase it and boom, it's done. And yes, it is risky, but I've held all of these in the past year, and even when the market was going up. And what I did was I did dollar cost averaging, and that always works. Yes, last year I was facing a lot of losses, but I kept on buying when it used to go down, right? So my average cost came really down, and right now I'm up overall, even considering the losses last year. And I think overall I'm up by I think 10% all time, which includes my losses of last year. So if you do dollar cost averaging, and you keep on buying small amounts at different stages, if your fundamentals are sound, if your logic is sound, you will never lose money. So this is a great way to make some money when the market is falling down, by the short ETFs. And trust me, because all of these are 3x exposure. If you don't feel the market's gonna go down, then yeah, don't buy it. But I strongly feel that the market over the next 3 or 4 months is gonna go way down, and there's a lot of money to be made by buying these ETFs. So just try it out. I feel it's better than keeping something in gold or silver, because silver, as I've seen, I have a lot of silver as well. When the market is crashing, it's hard for silver to stay up, because silver is, as a commodity, it's used in many of those it's many of the electronics and many gadgets. It's used everywhere. So if the overall companies are doing badly, then it's a bit hard for silver price to keep on going up. gold is a better hedge against the market falling. So overall, in the long term, silver is going to do exceedingly well, but in the short term, I feel that you can put your money to better use. So I think buying these stocks, and if you want specific questions, just write down in the comments below. I can tell you the specific things I have. One is SRTY, STOW. I'm just telling you the sticker, the symbols: SRTY, STOW, SQQQ. I have SPXU, SPXS, and there's many more. So just let me know down in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe. Really helps my channel out. And I will see you soon in the next video.